Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year, Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah. It has been over a month since I have filmed, but that was purposeful. I was really trying to enjoy the holidays and enjoy the family, but I am back today and I hope you guys are having a wonderful New Year. And oh my gosh, the weather is so nice. Last weekend we got about like 9 inches of snow. This weekend we got about a foot of snow. I think both weekends we did. And so it's so beautiful. I'm very tempted to vlog a day in the life because I want to show you the snow and then go pickleball, go play some pickleball. So stay tuned for after this video. I'm probably going to have a vlog. If I don't, then I decided not to. But I wanted to come here and let you guys know that I have a unboxing and a quick review of Fytoo glasses, and I'm so excited. I actually have now like over 10 pairs of glasses and I absolutely love glasses. So I like to collect like quirky glasses, like I don't know, unique ones. So today I have 4 pairs of glasses, actually 3 pairs of glasses, 1 pair of sunglasses slash blue light blocking glasses. And I really think that you're going to enjoy this because if you like very unique style of glasses, then this would be the video for you. And also if you like affordable glasses as well. So I do think this intro was very long, so let's just get right into the video. I have this box and I did open it up upside down, as you can see, but it's from Fytoo actually, and it says better glasses, clearer world. I personally have not heard of them before they reached out to me, but I love glasses. So when they asked for me to choose a few pair of glasses, I was like yes. I was not exactly like that, but I was like yes. And more specifically because I saw their unique styles of glasses. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up the glasses, show you guys what they look like, how they look on me, and then I'll just kind of give you guys a quick overview of what I think of this brand and what I think of these glasses as well. I have had them for about 2 weeks now and I have been interchangeably wearing them to give you guys a better review and my thoughts on the glasses. So yeah, let's get started. So I did have JT choose a pair, my daughter a pair, and then I chose 2 pairs. Yeah, so they come in these really cute packaging like so. It says Fytoo, and I like how the O's are glasses, and then just open it up. Ooh, okay. So these are the ones that actually JT chose. These are a little bit smaller than what I like to normally get for glasses, but JT really likes quirky glasses and smaller ones. So this one is called the Roche, and with the blue light blocking and also the prescription and advanced coating, it was $59. Not bad. So I want to give you guys a preface too. I have a very small nose bridge, and I always know when I order glasses to order glasses with the nose bridge gauge, like has like an extra metal piece and sticks out so it can support my nose. But I didn't do it for these pair of sunglasses. I don't know, oh, these pair of glasses, all of them, and I wasn't thinking. So yeah, they kind of slip off my face and I had to order something to make it work. There you go. But I do think they're super cute, and now they stay on like perfectly. They're tortoiseshell brown. They're a smaller frame than what I normally like, but I think they're so quirky and cute. And what I did for you girlies that have small nose bridges, I ended up ordering these little sticky pads right here. I got them from Amazon. There's several of them, and they're stickers, and basically you just peel off the sticker off the back of these and then apply it to the inside nose bridge, which I had to do because with frames like this, they just slide off my nose. So that is not Fytoo's fault, that's mine, because I ordered glasses knowing that I had a short, small nose bridge. So yeah, but now that I ordered these little sticky things, they fit perfectly. I love it. I think they're just so unique. What do you guys think? Yeah, so this is the first pair. Like, these are actually, I think, my second to last favorite. I don't know, it gets better. Okay, and then my absolute favorite, okay, are these. So it has this, and then like I said, it does also, oh, I actually didn't show you, but all of them come with cleaning cloths as well. This nice like cleaning cloth. These pair of glasses are called the Donalds. These are my absolute favorites. I always want clear, but I also think clear is super basic, and everybody kind of wears clear ones if you're like a little hipster. And this really got my attention because they're clear in the front and leopard on the side, or cheetah, whatever you want to call it. I love anything leopard or cheetah. And then add it on to clear glasses, and this is what you get. These are big frames, but these are my favorite, and I love these glasses. So this is what they look like. They are clear, and then it has the leopard print. So these are definitely my favorite. I really love these a lot. And again, my fault because I had to add little stickers in the inside because my nose frame is so small. So keep that in mind. But on their website, they have, you know, the ones, the nose frames that stick out. But this works for me. I don't really care because I absolutely love these glasses. So I think I'm gonna wear, well, you guys help me choose what I'm gonna wear today. But yeah, these are my absolute favorite. I highly recommend these. These are $52 after blue frame blocking and blue light blocking. I have prescription, and then I have advanced coating on it. So, oh, love these glasses. So cute. Okay, and then let's kind of change it up a little bit. I was allowed to, well, I wasn't allowed. I asked if I could order a pair of sunglasses instead of prescription glasses, and so these are so fun. I've been seeing these online, and they're basically sunglasses that you can put on, well, they're glasses that you can put on sunglasses on, like magnetic ones. So they come looking like this. This is, I think these yellow ones are kind of cool, or very cool. These are $60. Blue light, they have prescription, and then advanced coating as well. And these are called the Steven. I will link everything down below. Oh, and I forgot to tell you guys, there is a coupon code that you guys can use, 15% off, Tabby15. I'll leave all the information down in the description box if you guys are interested. But I honestly think for ranging around $50 for prescription glasses, and they look cool like this, I mean, it's a no-brainer. So yes, so these are what they look like. And I love these because yellow like lighting tends to make things feel brighter and happier. So immediately when I look outside and everywhere, everything has like this yellow bright tint, and it makes me feel super happy. And also I like to wear this in the car if it's like cloudy or something when I'm driving. But if it gets super sunny, they come with these magnetic frames, and then you just oops, ooh, I had them backwards, sorry. So they have the magnetic frame right there, and you just boop. And we got the sunglasses. Yeah, so they're, the only downfall for this one that I will say is because, like, if you look on the side, very thick, and then you take it off. Oh my gosh. I had no idea you could take off all three. Stop it. Oh. This makes these glasses even better. Oh my gosh, so I had no idea. I've been wearing these in the car with the yellow frames on and the sunglasses frames, but I had no idea that you could take off. My God, I had no idea you could take off the yellow part. So actually, they come like this. Stop it. Oh my gosh, I love it. Why am I whispering? I don't know. Okay, so this is the type of glasses I'm talking about, guys. I need glasses with the nose bridges that protrude out like this, because then it supports, my nose supports it. Okay, so this is prescription. I had no idea it looked like this. Okay, so look at the side. This is like absolutely perfect to like for me to hold on. But then it comes with these 2 additional things. I had no idea they came with 2 separate ones. I've been like wearing this one like on its own. So okay, so in the car I've been wearing the yellow ones and they're blue blocking, but also they like make everything a little bit more elevated, a little bit brighter. And then you got the sunglasses. And you just pop those right back, these on. And then once you put the sunglasses on, I will say the only downfall is it's very heavy. So you can kind of see it sliding a little, but because I do have a small nose bridge, so yeah, so I really like this a lot. But I wonder if I just take out these yellow ones and then put them in the black. Okay, so that's not heavy. So I wouldn't recommend you wearing the 3 together, and that's my fault, so that's why they're heavy. But alone with one is perfect, but not with all 3. So yeah, love these. Okay, how to do the thumbnail. Love it even more, guys. Okay, lastly is my last pair of glasses. These are the ones that my daughter chose. So my 17-year-old daughter chose these ones, and dun, dun, they're pink. Let me clean them off for you real quick. Okay, so they look like this. These are called the Salomon, and these were $44. And so they are black on the top and pink on the bottom. They are very retro looking, but nevertheless, I love them. So these are also a hit for me. They're all just so different. Like these are like retro looking, which I love. Pink on the bottom and black. And these are very like quirky glasses, like quirky kind of like business. I would say these are the quirkiest of them all, but I think that they're the coolest and the most chic. And then, I mean guys, what can we choose? So you guys leave your comments as to what your favorite glasses are. And then also I want to let you guys know that the box came with like these little like, it's a PD ruler. So when you do get your glasses, you put your prescription in, and then you need your like how far your PD, I think it's like how far your pupils are between each other. So anyways, I don't know. I just had to measure it, and I had it from my doctor. So yeah, so this, and then it also comes with like a little brochure. You can follow them on Instagram. They have a pretty big following. They have YouTube, Facebook. They have a 30-day easy return and exchange, 180-day frame guarantee, 25 years of dispensing glasses. And yeah, their story is that I don't really know the story, but they deliver and their glasses to more than 200 countries, and they're committed to providing users with clear vision and a wonderful shopping experience. I personally am very, very happy to have very chic, stylish glasses for an affordable price, and I'm just very, very happy with this whole situation. Thank you so much, Fytoo, for sending these glasses to me. I was not paid. They just sent me the glasses to give my honest opinion. For my opinion, it did take I think 2.5 weeks to get here. What else? I love the quality of the glasses. I love the everything it comes with. I love how quirky it is. And the only downfall that I would say is that it's my fault for ordering glasses that didn't have the nose bridge support for my certain nose, but that's an easy fix with these. And so honestly, I don't really have any downfalls. I mean, they're a little heavy. Some of them are a little heavy, but really they're all quite comfortable. I'm very, very, very pleasantly pleased with this. So this is my first experience ordering with them and using their glasses. I hope to try more in the future, and then give you guys some long-term reviews on kind of like all the glasses. So if you guys do want a long-term like review on these glasses in maybe like a year or something, or if I get more glasses from them, I'll let you guys know. But I really appreciate you guys watching, and don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Coupon code Tabby15, and I shall see you in the next video, or stay tuned for a vlog. But I don't know, we'll see. end it here or vlog. We'll see.